This is an A1 beginner level mixed grammar quiz. Please feel free to leave a comment after the quiz.
Choose the correct pronoun.
Do they speak English?
Choose the correct article.
I have an iPhone.
Choose the correct pronoun.
They are my friends.
Choose the correct preposition.
The phone is on the table.
Choose the correct verb form.
He works every day.
Choose the correct pronoun.
These are my keys.
Choose the correct article.
We saw a great movie.
Choose the correct verb form.
They played football yesterday.
Choose the correct pronoun.
She works with me.
Choose the correct preposition.
I was born on July 1st.